Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. You know that this is Inayat Hossain before you all. Welcome back to another new video in front of camera after a long time. I hope that you all are very fit and fine in Ramadan, and also I am very fit and fine in Ramadan by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today just practicing purpose in spoken English. So right now I am going to tell some sentence in present sense. To begin with, I am from in Potuakhali at Kolapara Upazila. Currently I live in Borishal at Notullabad. I am a student of famous university in Bangladesh. Next, I have a wonderful family. There are 4 people in my family. After that, my father is a positive-minded person. He believes we all are intelligent. When we have free time, we sit together. After that, my mother is a good cook. She always tells my sister, you all are better than I. Shortly after that, I have a best friend. His name is Mr. Tanzim Tanbir. He is a student of Sonargaon University in Dhaka. At present, he lives in Dhaka at Khilkhet. So, dear friends, no more today. Thank you so much for your patience hearing me still yet. All my love and thanks all. Happy learning and happy journey at last. I would like to say stay tuned with me for practicing spoken English. Bye bye.